Hello guys, in this video we will create something bigger because I want to show you how you can take full advantage of using Contact Form 7. So today we will create a customer relationship management page in our admin panel that will save all the data which came from our Contact Form 7. To do that, we will have to create a new page in admin panel that will hold all the data. Also, we will create a new table in the database where we will store the contact form 7 details and then we will show it in the CRM admin panel page. We'll create some validation and we will check if the user has already completed the form in the last 24 hours. We will add some features to the rows like status update or delete lead. And in the final part of the tutorial, we'll create a basic function to export all the data to a XLS format file. I want to show you that you don't need a third service to create your own customer relations management system because you already have all the tools, all the free tools you need to create this type of functionality. Also, using the WordPress hooks and functions, you'll see that it's very easy to create this feature and even if you are a complete beginner with coding and PHP, using these videos and completed all the steps I will show you in the next videos, you will be able to create your own customer relations management. Also, if you encounter any problems or issue with the implementation, I am waiting you in the comment section and I will help you to implement this functionality. So without any further ado, let's get started with the first step.